How to not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you update a Snapchat application from App Store or Play Store. Now tap to launch it. Make sure to log into your account. Now simply head towards the Bitmoji icon at top left corner and access your profile feed. Tap gear icon at top right to access settings, and from this section scroll down. Now look for the option of contact syncing, which is under account actions, and choose it. And here you need to simply select see contact shared with a Snapchat. And now to not let your phone contacts find you in a Snapchat, tap on remove seeing contacts from a Snapchat. Now tap on confirm button and it will remove all the seeing contacts. Also, you need to exit from a Snapchat and now long press on a Snapchat app. Tap on I button to access app info. Now choose permissions and select contacts. Tap don't allow. Once you follow this two step, you will successfully not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.